In this video, I'm going to show you a Megapari promo code for first time deposit. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. If you're looking for a Megapari promo code for first time deposit, here's what to do. The first thing is for you to log out from the account that you already have. As you can see on my screen, you can come over here and log out. Once you've logged out, it's going to bring you here and click on register. Then you choose the country from which you are from. There are lots of countries. So you can choose any country like this one, choose your currency or the currency of that particular country, and then put your email address and your password. To create a good password, please follow these requirements to create a good password. In the promo code box, you're going to use a promo code Leo TV, and this is a promo code you can use for first time deposit. You use this promo code, you're going to receive a bonus for your first time deposit. So click on these three dots, register account and verify your email address, and that's a promo code to use for first time deposit.